Hi there guys, just a little update. We're heading to the caravan now just to go and see it. Wasn't there last time that we were there. It's been taken away to get some bits changed, fixed and stuff like that. So a little bit of a snaggy list, but we're getting it done. Today we're really just going in to put a few things away. We haven't been there for a while, so I'm not quite sure what I've taken out to wash clean. So we're going to get it all prepped ready because we're hoping to go away shortly. Right, let's get the stuff in from the car to the caravan then.
Just got to get this lot into the caravan. Little hey-ho is going to stay in the caravan. I mean, sorry, stay in the car because she doesn't want to get in the way, do you? There we go, last bit. Let's get the caravan ready to go away. We're going to finally take the carpet out of its wrapping and lay it down, see what it looks like.
So currently we've got this one. We were hoping for one that's a bit more angled for the shape of the French bed. We've spoken to a couple of companies when we was at the NEC, but it was just so busy we just didn't get to sort anything out. As
usual, we go to NEC with a lot of things to get, we never get any of them.
I know.
But we do need one properly shaped for this corner.
Just for this bit here, because
it walks itself off during the night, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And some of the ones that were made to measure, they were only tiny thin things. And were quite expensive,
these
but
are quite thick.
It's got a reasonable thickness to it.
Yeah, we're looking for something a bit more like this. If you know of a company, or you are a company, and you can sort us out with one, let us know in the comments below. So we're still using the sleeping bags because we really like the design. I think I might have to just make myself a nice mid-century pattern to go with our colour scheme in the caravan. But we are looking for, again, a duvet cover that's going to fit. So maybe I just make the cover, but if you know someone that's going to make that duvet cover that's that kind of angled, that would be perfect. Just pop them in the comments below. Thanks guys.
Since we don't take our cats away, we have some substitute cats. Look as grumpy as our cats as well. Looks like the little rack we used to hold the plates up and stuff has collapsed somehow when we've been moving it around, so I'll probably have to get a better one. It was only a cheap one.
One option would be to glue it, won't it?
That's back together again, probably just a temporary fix. I think we're gonna stick the little rack thing back together with a bit of glue so it doesn't fall apart.
Amazing bags, aren't they? Managed to get a sleeping bag in there.
And a mattress topper and a sheet.
And a mattress topper and a sheet. All in there. Solid.
That's for little hey-ho's bed and that stuff, so we find a spot to hide that somewhere.
Yeah, we're not keeping that at the moment out, because obviously, so either underneath. There's not much space in this one. Underneath there or underneath the main bed, I think. Yep. It's the best place. We're almost all done now. We're just going to see how the carpet looks down. Wish I brought some scissors. Make sure you've got scissors in your caravan.
Yeah.
Or a sharp knife.
I'm sure we're going to get lots of comments about knife safety.
Hi. I've already seen it's mucky already. Here.
Yeah, well, it looks like it's been in the garage and it's been a bit of mud got in there, so we're gonna have to get that cleaned.
Right, we just need to work out where all these bits go now.
It's like a jigsaw.
Yep. Right, that one opens there.
Right, so this bit looks like it goes here, so we'll have to shuffle that into the right space.
It goes onto there then. Okay.
And this last bit must be for the bathroom. Though we're not a big fan of carpets in bathrooms. So that's the carpets put down. What do you think of them?
I think they're really nice. They do definitely feel much cosier. I like the fact that they're in bits, so you can just take a section out. Because I think maybe on a heavy muddy area we might take the middle bit out, so we can just wipe that as we come in.
Yeah, probably take the one out the bathroom and take the one in the kitchen area off.
Yeah, and then
They need to settle out a bit, don't they?
They do. They're still a little bit bumpy, but I think we're going to leave them down before we go in next, just to see if they can settle a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And they've done the door so it definitely opens and closes a lot easier. And this little catch here that was broken has been fixed as well. That's good. Look at the mucky marks on there. That'll need a clean. It needs a proper good clean, to be honest, but we're going to give it a dry sparkle treatment. Little hair hose come out the car to help. She loves giving a good buff, don't you?
Yeah.
I get the feeling it's going to pour down any minute. I love the British weather. There's some little masticky types, weird bits that little hair hose cleaning. I think it's coming off.
I think you're supposed to wait a couple of seconds. That's a brilliant job, Best. So we've just put everything away. It's looking really nice. I'm really looking forward to getting away soon now.
Oh, we do just book somewhere now, don't we?
Yeah, we just need to book somewhere. We've had a couple of comments as well recently about places to go. So if you've got somewhere in the East Yorkshire area you think we should definitely go to, just let us know. In the meantime,
make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!